Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Mishra and I welcome you all to the next lecture of our video series. Now in this video, we'll be learning about how to fill a form in German language. Let us take an example. If you are registering on Facebook, let us say if you are registering on Facebook, if you are creating an account on Facebook, what you have to do? You have to type in your name, your surname, your mobile number, your email address, your date of birth so that Facebook remembers your date of birth, and then you have to sign up. Now this is the typical example of a form that you have to fill. Now if you are going in a government office and maybe in some bank, so they ask you to fill a form wherein you have to write your name, your surname, your address, phone number, date of birth, and so on and so forth. In these situations, we have to, in English language, okay, if we are in India or in other countries and English language is common in these particular countries. So in India, we'll be filling out the forms. So we know that, okay, if address written over there, we have to fill address in front of that. If male or female is written, so we have to select our gender accordingly, tick that particular box. So in German language, this is the case in India, but if you are in Germany, then you have to fill a form and that is purely in German language. Then what you will do at that point in time? If you are in Germany and if you are registering to a particular site, or if you are registering for city Anmeldung, Stadtanmeldung means city registration. So in these particular situation, you need to know some keywords that are used to fill out a particular form. And today we'll be learning this form filling in German language. Apart from this, there's another advantage of this particular video. What is that particular advantage? What happens is, if you are writing A1 exam, and in A1 exam, if you are appearing for this writing section, so the first part in writing section is this Ein Formular ausfüllen, to fill out a particular form. What happens is the examiner will provide you some text, some paragraph, he'll provide you some paragraph. You have to read that particular paragraph and you have to fill out a form regarding that particular paragraph. So what happens is, if you are unaware of these terms, these technical terms, okay, these keywords, so it will be a great problem for you to decide what to write in front of what. Okay, so in this particular lecture, we'll be learning about how to fill a form in German language. So let's start our video. So first point is Ein Formular ausfüllen. So Ein is a, Formular is form, and ausfüllen, what is ausfüllen? It is a verb. So this means to fill out or to complete. To fill out, or let's say complete. To complete. To complete a form or to fill out a form is ausfüllen. Ein Formular ausfüllen. Okay. Now, let us start. What does a form typically starts with? It starts with your name. Okay. So if this word is written, so this is name in English, but Name in German. In German, this is Name. So Name is written, so you have to write your name in front of that. So if name is written over there, you have to write your name in front of that. Name is written, so you have to write your name in front of that. Now, next thing comes Vorname. V-O-R-N-A-M-E, Vorname. V, the pronunciation of V is F. V. So Vorname. So your first name. Vorname is your first name. So if Vorname is written, so you have to write your first name. Next thing. Nachname oder Familienname. Nachname oder Familienname means your surname or your family name. So this means, oder means or, okay, Nachname, Familienname. So this is last name or your surname. Last name or surname. Next thing, Geburtsdatum. Geburtsdatum. Okay, so Geburt means birth and Datum means date. So this is date of birth. Date of birth. Geburtsort. So Geburt means birth and Ort means place. So this is your place of birth. Place of birth. Weiblich, männlich. Weiblich, männlich. EI has a sound of I and this is männlich. Male or female. In English language we denote gender as male or female. In German language, if you are filling a form, you will see this in general. Weiblich, männlich. So this is for female and this is for male. So female or male. Weiblich, männlich. If you are a female, you can check the weiblich box, and if you are a male, so you can check the männlich box. Next one is Telefonnummer oder Handynummer. So this is clear just from the word. Telefonnummer means your telephone number. Handynummer. Handynummer means your mobile number. Mobile in German is known as Handy. H-A-N-D-Y. Handy. So Handynummer is your mobile number and this is your telephone number. So as I'll be writing here it as mobile number. Mobile number. It is understood. Telephone number is understood. Handynummer is mobile number. So are you getting my point? What is happening is, if these terms are written somewhere in German language, so you are able to fill out this particular form. Okay. Next thing, Wohnort. Wohnort. In one of the previous lecture, I've told you about this word wohnen, means to live. Okay. So wohn comes from that. So this is to live and Ort is place. So place where you live is Wohnort. Place where you live, it is called as Wohnort. Next, Schule. Schule. Your school, the name of your school. Okay. So if Schule written, so this means school. He's asking about your school. Next one, Arbeitsbei. If you're working in a particular company, so you have to write the name of the company in front of these two words. Arbeitsbei, work at the name of the company. Works at the name of the company. So you have to write your company name. Company name. Now, next one. Lieblingsfilm, Lieblingsmusik, Lieblingsessen. So Lieblings means favorite, Lieblings means favorite, and Lieblings means favorite. Now favorite film, favorite music, favorite food. Essen means food. So here I'll be writing favorite, favorite film, favorite music, favorite music, favorite food. Favorite food. Next one is addresser. Addresser. So this is your address. If someone asks you what is addresser, so you have to write your address. Address. So what we have learned here till now, what we have learned is, if we are given a form and we have to fill out information regarding ourselves, so we should know these technical terms, these keywords. If these keywords are familiar to us, then there will be no problem in writing out in filling out this particular form, and everything is good to go. Now let us revise. Ein Formular ausfüllen, to complete or fill out a form. So if a form starts with your name, so this is Name, your name, Vorname is your first name, Nachname is your last name or family name, surname. Or this is also known as Familienname, family name, Familienname. Geburtsdatum, your date of birth. Your date of birth is Geburtsdatum. Geburtsort is place of birth. Geburtstag is birthday. If we talk about birthday, then it is Geburtstag. Tag means day and Geburt means this birth. Next one, weiblich, männlich. If you are filling out a gender, weiblich is female and männlich is male. Telefonnummer, Handynummer. Telephone number is understood. It's your telephone number. Handynummer is mobile number. Next one, Wohnort. Place where you live is called as Wohnort. Schule is your school. Arbeitsbei is a company name. Adresse is address. Lieblingsfilm, Lieblingsmusik, Lieblingsessen. Favorite film, favorite music, favorite food. If you know these, little bit of these, then everything is good to go. So you'll be able to fill out form in German language. You'll be able to write this. If you are writing A1 exam, so in writing section, this will be of great help. Okay. So if you like this video, click on like button, share among your friends and subscribe to this channel. And if you face any problem in learning German or have any doubt regarding German language, you just comment down below and I'll be there to answer you. Okay. So thank you.